So far, when we went to overseas holiday, we go to farms, but usually we pick like single stuff like strawberries, etc. But because it's a vegetable farm, we got to really see and pick different kind of vegetables. The kids have a lot of fun picking from the plants and digging into the soil for potatoes and sweet potatoes.
The restaurant prepare the fruits, and we get to enjoy the food of our labor. Very delicious and yeah, we enjoy it.
Oh, cheap.